Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss mechanical properties of fluids, objective problems and solutions part 2. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session, mechanical properties of fluids, objective problems and solutions part 2. Let us go to the first one. If the air density is uniform, then the height of the atmosphere above the sea level to produce a normal atmospheric pressure of 1.0 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Within bracket the given density of air is 1.3 kilogram per meter cube and G they given as 10 meter per second square. Okay, let us go to the solution. Now first we will write what they given in this. Here they given atmospheric pressure, that is P is equals to 1.0 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Nothing but we can write 10 to the power of 5 pascals. And then still the given density of air is 1.3 kilogram per meter cube. That is density nothing but rho. Rho denotes the density. This is a rho. Rho air is equals to they given 1.3 kilogram per meter cubed. So and still they given G is equals to 10 meters per second square, and you have to calculate atmospheric normal atmospheric pressure. Here they given atmospheric pressure, and here you have to calculate height of the atmosphere. H you have to calculate height of the atmosphere above the sea level. You have to calculate. So H is equals to question mark. From the pressure at a point inside liquid, P is equals to H rho G. Density we can write either D or rho. P is equal to H height, rho density, G acceleration due to gravity. From this we are writing the formula. H is equals to P by rho G. Substituting the values, P nothing but 10 to the power of 5 by rho nothing but 1.3 into G nothing but they given 10. This can be written as 10 to the power of 5. Here 10 to the power of it going to the here 1. It is going to the numerator, it becomes minus 1 by 1.3. Next H is equals to 1.3. Here 10 to the power of 5 minus 1 how much? 4. 10 to the power of 4 by 1.3. And again this can be written as 10 to the power of 4 decimal representation 13 by 10. So this also can be written as 10 to the power of 4. This 10 to the power of 1 will going to the numerator. Here 10 to the power of minus 1 and again reciprocal 10 by 13. So that is equals to 10 to the power of 5 by 13. This can be written as H is equals to 1 by 13 into 10 to the power of 5. 1 by 13 value 0.0769 into 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 5 we are writing as 10 square into 10 cube. 0.0769 into 10 square, it becomes 7.69 meters. And again if you want to convert here 10 cube into 10 cube nothing but 7 point, it represented in kilometer. Meters 7.69 into 10 cube meters, or in terms of kilometers height H is equals to 7.69 kilometers. So last therefore height is approximately equal to 7.7 kilometer. This is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. Ninth one. A sphere of density D is let fall in a liquid of d by 4, liquid density d by 4. The acceleration of the body will be, here you have to calculate the acceleration of the body. Let us go to the solution. Now suppose here from here onwards a sphere of density is floating in this for example assume that it is in the presence of liquid, and this is the sphere, and one is a force acting vertically downward, that is gravitational force. One is a force acting vertically upward, that is buoyant force, and upthrust also acting vertically upwards. And here now let us go to the solution. That is dB is equals to dB they given as the density of body, they given as d, and the liquid of density they given as d by 4. dl is equals to d by 4, and a is equal to question mark. We have to calculate a. When the ball is in equilibrium, here sphere nothing but we are assuming that a ball, when the ball is in equilibrium, or you can calling as when the sphere, or when the ball is in equilibrium, when the ball is in equilibrium, the net force is equals to 0. So F net, nothing but net force, F net is equals to mg minus mb. Fb nothing but, here we are writing V rho L into G, buoyant force. By the Archimedes principle, we are writing buoyant force Fb is equal to V into rho L into G. Now we are taking common mg from this, then we'll write F net is equals to, taking mg common, of 1 minus V by m rho L, that is. Next F net nothing but we are writing from the Newton's second law of motion, ma is equals to mg of 1 minus this V by m can be written as rho s, that is rho L by rho s. Since we are writing V by m is equals to rho s, this is a rho s. Volume by mass gives the density. Next here m cancel, a is equals to g of 1 minus rho L by rho s. Now we are substituting the values. Density of liquid they given as d by 4. Since given problem, in this given density of liquid is equals to d by 4, and rho s they given as d, so rho s is equals to d. Net acceleration is equals to, net acceleration A is equals to g of 1 minus d by 4 by d. dd gets cancels, so A is equals to, we are getting g of 1 minus 1 by 4. That implies A is equals to g of, taking LCM 4 1 ja 4, 4 minus 1 3 by 4. So that is equals to, acceleration is equals to 3g by 4. This is the final answer. Acceleration A is equals to 3g by 4. A acceleration is equals to 3g by 4. Next we will go to the next question. 10th one. A cube of wood is supporting 200 grams mass, first floats in water. When the mass is removed, the cube rises by 1 centimeter. The linear dimension of the cube is, Here you have to calculate the linear dimension of the cube. Now first let us go to the solution. Here they given m is equals to 200 grams and they given height as h is equals to 1 centimeter, and then v inside is equals to formula for volume length into breadth into height, that is equals to s into h, they given as 1 centimeter. So according to law of flotation, weight of the body is equals to weight of the displaced liquid. According to law of flotation, weight of the body is equals to weight of displaced liquid. Weight of displaced liquid. So weight of the body is equals to mg is equals to v in into rho L into g. This is the weight of the displaced liquid and this is the weight of the body. Here mm gets cancel each other. Sorry, not gg gets cancel each other and g gets cancelled. M is equals to v, nothing but here we written s into h, that implies s square into h, nothing but 1. So substituting s square into 1 into rho L, density of liquid is 1. So that implies here substituting the m value 200 is equals to s square, or s square is equal to, you can write 200. So that implies s is equals to root of 200. This is the final answer. Or we can write it as s is equals to 200, nothing but 100 into 2 or 10 root 2. So finally linear dimension of the cube is equal to s is equals to 100 into 2 can be done as 10 root 2. So the final answer is s is equals to 10 root 2 centimeters. This is the final answer. S is equals to 10 root 2, or you can write it as root 200 or 100 into 2 or 10 root 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. Next question, 11th one. If a block of iron density is 5 gram per centimeter cube of size 5 into 5 into 5 centimeter cube is submerged in water, what would be the apparent weight? Density of water they given in 1 CGS units 1 gram per centimeter cube. You have to calculate apparent weight. Let us go to the solution. Here given density of iron is equals to 5 gram by centimeter cube and volume of iron they given 5 into 5 centimeter cube, and you have to calculate apparent weight WAPP, nothing but apparent weight is equals to question mark, and they given dW is equals to 1 gram by centimeter cube density of water. Here since 1 kilogram weight is equals to 9 point newtons, 1 gram weight is equals to 980 dynes. 1 kilogram weight is equals to 9.8 newtons. 1 gram weight is equals to 980 dynes. This is the relation between, that is the gravitational units of force. 1 kilogram weight is equals to 9.8 newtons, 1 gram weight is equals to 980 dynes. 980 dynes. Now we are writing apparent weight WAPP, apparent weight is equals to actual weight minus upthrust, actual weight minus upthrust. So that is equals to actual weight nothing but mg of B, that is a body, or here we are taking a block of iron, mg of L nothing but liquid. Here we are taking common. Next we are writing apparent weight is equals to G taking common and remaining one mb minus ml, that is equals to G of mb can be written as V into rho b minus ml. ml also can be written as V into rho L. Mass is equals to, since we are writing rho is equal to m by v, mass per unit volume is known as density. So m is equals to v into rho. By using these two we are writing here mb nothing but v into rho b, ml nothing but v into rho L. Here again taking common v, we are writing rho b minus rho L. Rho nothing but density, symbol for density. Now we are substituting the values. V nothing but they given as 5 into 5 into 5 of, here 5 they given minus 1 rho L, G same like that. So that is equals to apparent weight is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 minus 1 4 G. G value 980 in terms of dynes, or this complete can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 4 gram weight. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 4 gram weight. This is the final answer. Apparent weight is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 4 gram weight. So this is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. 12th one. A bucket containing water of depth 15 centimeter is kept in a lift which is moving vertically upward with an acceleration 2g. The pressure on the bottom of the bucket in kilogram weight per centimeter square is. Here you have to calculate pressure on the bucket, bottom of the bucket in kilogram weight per centimeter square in terms of kilogram weight per centimeter square you have to calculate. Let us go to the solution. First we will write when the lift is moving upwards, when lift is moving upwards, effective acceleration due to gravity, G effective is equals to G plus A. This is the first case. Suppose when the lift is moving downwards, when lift is moving downwards, effective acceleration due to gravity, G effective is equals to G minus A. See here, remember that when the lift is moving upwards, here in this question they given lift which is moving vertically upwards. When it is upwards, acceleration, effective acceleration due to gravity, G effective is equal to G plus A. Suppose when the lift is moving downwards, effective acceleration due to gravity, G effective is equals to G minus A. And the next, suppose the lift is moving when lift is moving with constant velocity or at rest then A is equals to 0, then G effective is equals to G. Lift is moving upwards, so G effective is equals to G plus A. Moving downwards, so G effective is equal to G minus A. When the lift is moving with constant velocity or at rest, G effective is equals to G. Now let us go to the solution. In this question, they given h is equals to 15 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters and rho is equals to 1 gram by centimeter cube. We are converting into kilogram multiplying 1000, so 1000 kilogram by centimeter kilogram by meter cube, so 1000 by kilogram by meter cube, 1000 into kilogram by meter cube. Now P is equals to H rho G effective. Here in this case we have to substitute G effective is equals to G plus A. Why? Because the lift is moving upwards. So substitute the values. H in the place of H, 15 into 10 to the power of minus 2. G nothing but 1000. 10 cube we are writing. G effective is equals to G plus A. That is equals to 15 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 cube nothing but 10 to the power of 1 into G plus A they given as 2G. So that is equals to 15 into 10 150 into G plus 2G 3G. 15 3 ja 450G. Here we are writing either 450G Newton per meter square or 450 kilogram weight by meter square. Converting into centimeter, 450 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Now this answer is in terms of kilogram weight by centimeter square. So that is equals to final answer is, this is in terms of 450 into 10 to the power of minus 4 kilogram weight by centimeter square. That is equals to, we can written as 0.045 kilogram weight by centimeter square. This is the final answer. So pressure at a pressure P is equals to 0.045 kilogram weight by centimeter square. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. 13th one. A woman of mass 50 kilograms stands on a wooden block placed over a tank of water. The wooden block is such that the woman is entirely above the water. If relative density of wood is 0.85, the volume of the wooden block is, here we have to calculate volume of wooden block. Let us go to the solution. Here they given M is equals to 50 kilogram and density of wood by density of wood by density of water is equals to density of wood by density of water is equals to the given 0.85, and according to law of flotation, according to law of flotation, according to law of flotation, weight of the body is equals to weight of displaced liquid. Weight of the body is equals to weight of displaced liquid. So we are using this formula. Weight of the body is equals to weight of the displaced liquid. Here weight of the body nothing but woman weight and weight of wood. Weight of woman plus weight of wood is equals to weight of displaced liquid, that is VL into rho water into G. So that is equals to, here weight of woman can be written as mg plus V volume of wood rho wood into G is equals to VL into rho water into G. G, now we are taking a common entire G of M plus V wood into rho wood is equals to VL into rho water into G. G gets cancels. M plus V into, that is write as V rho wood is equals to V into rho water. So we are writing the formula for M. So that is equals to M is equals to V rho water minus V rho wood. So that is equals to, here taking common, here we have to calculate the V. V is equals to M by, writing the formula M by, first we'll take common and we'll write again V. M is equals to V rho water, we are taking common of 1 minus rho wood by rho water, density of wood by density of water. Okay, next we'll write V is equals to M by rho of water into 1 minus RD, relative density. Density of wood by density of water, we are writing relative density. Now we are substituting the values. M nothing but 50, rho water they given as 1000, and 1 minus RD they given as 0.85. So that V is equals to, here 0 gets cancels, 5 1s are 5 2s are 0, and 1 by 20 into 1 minus 0.85, 0.15. So V is equals to, we are writing V is equals to 1 by 20 into 0.15. That implies, here we are writing 1 by 20 into 0.15 can be written as 15 by 100. 21 za 25 za, 5 1 za 5 3 za. So we are getting V is equals to 1 by 3 or 0.33 meter cube. So the finally the answer is V is equal to volume is equals to 0.33 meter cube. This is the final answer. Okay, thanks for watching this video.